TLaf, this is Sophia.
And Lisa. And today we're going to be doing a Who Can Make More Slime in 6 Minutes challenge.
Please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and hit the bell so you know when we post our next video. Let's get started. Okay, so we have a timer here, and we are going to start it. So it's at 6 minutes right now. I'm going to see you make it. By the way, we have all our supplies on the floor, so it doesn't take a lot of space. You guys can see. We have like our shaving cream on the ground, glue, our containers, glue. Yeah, like glitter. I have beads, foam, and like paint stuff. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll tell you guys when there's like 5 minutes and stuff. So yeah, so put your glue back down until we start. Go. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So on your marks,
you set,
go. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is
I'm gonna use some color changing glue.
White slime. I don't want to use my glitter glue right now. So
I need glue.
I'm gonna do this is white glue, by the way.
Oh wait, I have to.
This is white glue.
Oh gosh, this is not.
I'm trying to probably like some orange stuff in the bottle. I don't know. Okay, so I just poured in like a lot of white glue, and I'm going to try to do this a color. I'm gonna do a actually I'm gonna do a fluffy slime, so I'm gonna put in this shade.
No, this is looking bad to me.
There's like nothing in that.
There is.
Whoa, okay, no, it's fine. So I'm gonna mix this up. Then I'm gonna put in some of this. I'm gonna dye. I don't care what color because I'm not trying to make the prettiest. I'm trying to make the most. Okay, so I just put some green food dye, guys. This is Sophia here talking.
Yeah, Sophia.
No,
I need to.
and this is a fluffy slime. I added in shaving cream.
Oh!
I almost slipped. I grabbed the active.
So basically,
I'm going to.
Mine's green.
Mine's green also.
No, like mine's sand green.
I just grabbed.
Yours is green.
This. I'm going to grab some.
Do I do all of this?
No. Still in solution?
I just used all of it.
What do you use that?
All of it.
There's 4 minutes, 30 seconds left. 4 minutes, 25 seconds now.
I'm gonna make like one slime. I'm gonna be able to make like one slime.
No, this slime isn't hurry up. She's about to use that. And then she took it. So yeah.
I'm gonna keep it from you forever. Oh my gosh, this is like almost ready already.
Because yours is better with this. Yours like
sand. Oh, and I didn't use
yours
this.
Is better with the Elmer's glue. I had to use the other one.
The other glue. Are you clear?
So I used I didn't use Elmer's. So here it is. I'm putting it on the
Wait, did you?
It's super sticky. Oh, I didn't know it was gonna be sticky.
Oh, so funny.
Tune
for next time, guys. Bye. I'm just kidding. Hey, how you doing? Mom doing just What did you do to this? It got like the timer turned off.
I didn't. Oh, I just poured so much.
Yay!
I don't know if you guys could see.
Same.
But I just poured accidentally so much.
Same. I just accidentally poured so much.
And now it's probably gonna be stiff. So I might have to go get lotion in the middle. So if I leave in the middle, then that's because I went to go get lotion. My slime turned.
Or get something else.
Yeah. Look, my slime is activating.
My slime's ready.
Tastes good.
It's just kind of sticky.
Oh, and by the way, for this challenge, your slime actually has to be ready. It can't just be like a glue.
It can't just be like this.
You have to be able to play with it and stuff. So yeah.
Yeah, and like poke it and like do bubbles stuff.
But this is really thick. It hurts my hands. It's like a weight when I go through this thing.
Well, at least you're done.
So and I'm gonna try to put. I might put some glitter in it.
This one's gonna go in the bag.
So I'm just gonna put mine on the table and then it's so sticky.
Mine's almost done. Oh my gosh, yes. This is the best day of my life.
Okay, where's this one?
Actually, it's not the best day of my life.
Okay, so I can't.
The best day of my life was.
There's 2 minutes left.
Oh my! There's 1 minute left and 50 seconds. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
We should do like 15 minutes or something. I got one slime.
15.
One slime done. One slime done. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Freaking out. Freaking out.
Freaking out, yes. Same. That is me right now.
I still some green there, but that's fine. What color did I use?
I still have some green here also.
Color.
I'm just gonna make it white and it's gonna be
What color?
green. Because I just got green here.
Oh my gosh. I don't even know what color it is.
Maybe
Let's
this.
do some. I can't even open that. Oh my god.
I'm doing some this color. If you can tell, I really.
These are open and they didn't even leak.
I'm gonna use some shaving cream.
I'm just gonna use a little bit of my glitter.
And then I'm gonna put in some bloom. I'm just gonna try to. There we go. Coming to the package. Coming out to the package. Yeah. Oh, Ellie, you did not give it like.
My
all the
bin.
glue and stuff.
That's fine. Nothing's open. I don't think.
She hopes.
Yeah, I hope.
Okay, so
Oh, wait.
I'm mixing. I added in almost. I added in shaving cream, pink
Pink stuff.
pink and cologne to make this.
I'm doing all my
And I'm
glitter.
adding in more
Oh, not all of them, just a lot.
I think it
Because then it's
helps
like really colorful.
to add in shaving cream. And where is this? Yeah. I'm just really trying to hurry up and win this thing.
Same.
So we should have done more. We might do more in future videos. Maybe more time.
Or like more
In
challenges
future
like
videos.
this.
Or more challenges like this. Oh no.
Well,
We
obviously
are not very fast at making slime, but obviously you can't make a lot of slime
in like
in
in 6 minutes.
6 minutes because. Oh, and also, if you're wondering, if you notice that we wore the same shirts as last video, is
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Because it was on the same day. I changed so then it would look better.
No, it's the timer's done. Okay, I don't know.
We got the same slimes. We got
We
we got
just got
one and a half slime done.
But
One and a
do you want to finish activating this one?
Sure, just finish activating.
We're gonna finish activating our.
half. So we'll basically be a tie.
no
Who's the
one
winner?
really won
No one really won
because
because of reasons.
we.
Where did my spoon go? Oh. How many slimes are really
Because yeah, so but here is my slime.
So your slime is so done.
It's so sticky.
Basically, you won because your slime's done first. Actually, no. I don't think that's how it works. Because the timer already went off. Yeah, I don't think that's how it works.
Oh wait. Wow, we are using a lot of activator. I think we're just like drenching our thing in activator, and
So then we win, basically.
activating it. So yeah, and our hamster over there, she's I just can't stop watching her. She's so cute.
I know.
She's just over
That
there
probably slowed you
sitting-
down a little bit, but
It's not. She's just sitting there,
she's so cute.
eating. Is she eating? Is she eating a grape? Is she eating a grape? I don't know.
Where is she? Is she in the top?
Yeah.
Oh, this slime is bad.
Mine's already prepared. My pink one is basically done. I just have a lot. No, I forgot I had so much of this in the bowl. Oh gosh. So guys, mine was almost done, so I realized I had some more.
I'm just gonna pour it out and then
like
activate it
glue
on the
stuff
table.
in my bowl. So then
Should I do that, guys? Well, my glue. Oh my gosh. It's open. What if I drop it?
Ellie, yours looks so messy. Okay, so
It
what I made was
Thanks for clarifying.
what? Ellie, this is spilling. Just get it off the table. Okay, so mine I made are drumroll.
Drumroll, no drumroll. Well, I can't drumroll unless
Okay,
you
so-
have this pen roll.
We have. Well, here are my slimes. I'll show you guys my slimes. This is a white slime. This is white glue slime that I dyed purple with bloom in it. This is the one I made. This is the first one I made. This is a green fluffy slime. And they're both very good, actually. So, yeah.
What's your secret again?
Okay, so we're gonna fast forward on this or something, or maybe cut this out because we are just gonna be finishing making our slime. So yeah.
My slime is just shaving cream, basically.
Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed.
Here are our slime. This is our first one. Mine is green fluffy with glitter.
And mine is regular green fluffy.
Here's the second one. Mine's white with a lot of different types of glitter.
And mine is purple fluffy flow. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Hey guys, it's me, Sophia. Oh wait.
Ellie! Hey guys, it's me, Sophia.
And Lisa.
And that's your line.
And today we're gonna be
Yeah, restart. Hey guys, it's me, Sophia.
and Lisa, and today we're gonna be doing a Who Can Make More Slimes in 6 Minutes challenge.
Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell.